Summer's ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
When the storm is moving in, the sky goes dark and you feel the wind. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come around. And you harbor all your tears, your desperate beliefs and fears. You will rise above, know that you are strong. Though the road is long, there is always love to carry you home. When there's no solid ground, walls are closing in, and you hear the sound of your heartbeat through your chest. Oh, your head is spinning, you can't find no rest. And you harbor all your tears, your desperate beliefs and fears. And you will rise above, know that you are strong. Though the road is long, there is always love to carry you home. To carry you home, to carry you home when the ocean is too deep. Your climb is too steep, your dreams are out of reach. When all your faith is gone and you just can't go on, there is always love to carry you home. To carry you home. To carry you all the way home. Didn't say goodbye to silhouettes disappear into the night. I take my time, nothing matters when I'm in your arms. rest our bodies on sticks and stones. In our cheap embrace, I watch our dirty tears fall